Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Are you looking for a fun and cost-effective way to grow your own watermelons without breaking the bank? Today, I'm excited to share with you how you can save money on vegetable plants by harvesting your own watermelon seeds. Imagine the joy of watching watermelons grow from seeds you've collected yourself. Not only is it a delightful gardening project, but it's also incredibly budget-friendly. Plus, the process is straightforward and rewarding. Stick around as I walk you through the simple steps of harvesting and planting your very own watermelon seeds. Watermelons are a summertime favorite, but buying new plants each season can add up. The journey to self-sufficiency begins with a ripe watermelon. Make sure it feels heavy for its size, a sign it's brimming with water and ripe seeds. Once you've picked your perfect melon, it's time to slice it open and dive into the juicy heart. Scoop the seeds out and gather them into a colander. Give them a good rinse under cold water to wash away the sticky pulp. This bit is crucial. We want the seeds clean and pulp-free for the next step. Spread them out on a paper towel and leave them in a warm, dry place. A few days of patience and they will be perfect for storing or planting. Now that your seeds are all set and drying, are you ready to plant them? Let's move on to the next exciting phase. Once your watermelon seeds are dry, you can plant them directly into your garden bed or in containers filled with rich, well-draining soil. Start by making small holes about 1 inch deep and spaced about 2 feet apart to give each plant enough room to flourish. Gently place a couple of seeds in each hole. This little bit of redundancy ensures that at least one seed will sprout in case the other doesn't. Next, cover the seeds lightly with soil. A thin blanket of earth is all that's needed to secure them while allowing light to penetrate, crucial for germination. Water the area gently but thoroughly. Watermelon seeds need moisture to kickstart their growth process. Ensure your planted seeds receive plenty of sunlight, aiming for about 6 to 8 hours of direct sun daily. As the seedlings emerge and grow, it's vital to provide support for the sprawling vines. Use trellises or stakes to keep them off the ground, which helps prevent disease and pest infestations. Regularly monitor their water and nutrient needs. Watermelons are quite thirsty, and providing a consistent amount of water will help develop those plump, juicy fruits. However, avoid waterlogging as this can lead to root rot. With a little care and patience, you'll soon be rewarded with sweet and juicy watermelons that you grew from your own harvested seeds. So, the next time you're craving a refreshing watermelon and see the prices of vegetable plants going up, remember that you can save money by harvesting your own watermelon seeds. Embrace the challenge and delight of nurturing your garden from the very seeds you've collected. Not only does this practice bolster your green thumb, but it also ensures that the juiciest, most flavoursome watermelons are just a few garden rows away. Reflect on the entire process we've explored today, from scooping out those seeds to watching the vines thrive. It's not just about saving pennies, it's about enriching your gardening experience and enjoying every slice of your labour. If you enjoyed learning about harvesting watermelon seeds, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more money-saving tips in your garden. Thanks for tuning in.